Hey, crypto family. Hope you all doing good today. So today we're going to go over some technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and SPY. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. With that, let's go and get started. So first of all, looking at Bitcoin here. On my last video, I put we had this descending wedge on the daily, and you can see it is playing out perfectly. So it has rejected against that. So looking for a possible unfortunate decline to about $37,000 before then bouncing and then getting out of this descending wedge, retesting that 40,500, and then from there either retesting 37 again for a double bottom possibly, or breaking through and then retesting and then hitting that 44,500. So right now I am expecting a down move, looking for that to 37,000. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Next, looking at Ethereum here. So Ethereum again is following the same pattern on this descending wedge here. Now, looking at it, it is looking like it wants to break out shortly. So, tentatively, I'm thinking we decline to about this support level here at about 2860 one more time. And then from there, bounce out and then retest this 3060 level. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. But again, you can see here the MACD, if you zoom in, it is starting to curve to the upside on the daily, with the RSI crossing over the signal line as well. So, again, some bullish action could be good for Ethereum in the short term. Now, next, looking at SPY. So, we can see here that it did bounce nicely off its support at 4168, but then rejected nicely off this resistance at about 4300. So from there, expecting it to possibly decline one more time and then bounce and retest this new trend line here. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Again, we mentioned in our last video that this big trend line here, I'll go ahead and change colors real quick so you can see a little simpler. But yeah, this big trend line here, it's basically a trend line that's been playing out since November of 2018. Okay, and you can see it's resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and now acted as support, support. And I mentioned we do need to maintain above this, which we did actually a day after closing below it. We actually closed back above it. So this is definitely a good sign in the short term. But again, possible rejection again, and then double bottom up to this resistance of about 4350. So again, there is a lot of downside potential for the short term, but then we could have that upside afterwards. So that's what I'm looking for, a little more downside before finally a punch up, because I do think we are getting to that capitulation stage. Again, a lot of people are, really not even talking a lot. I noticed a lot of my videos are getting, less views, and basically people in my Discord, they're talking, but again, on Twitter, there's not a lot of interactions there. So if you haven't joined, please join the Discord. It's pinned in the comments, and we have a lot of coin picks in there, have a lot of good discussions, so definitely join it if you haven't. It's a good talk. And if you enjoyed this video, please guys give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, thanks for watching.